Hello traders, today is the 24th of February 2023, Blessing Friday, last trading day of the week. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you how I analyze market today and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD, as you have seen my previous analysis, our bias was short, we will keep taking all pullbacks. So if you look at the 4-hour chart, that was a pretty straightforward. So we were expecting this breakout this morning, which priced nicely, developed beautiful breakout and bank amazing profit. Let me share with you. That was a pretty straightforward, guys. We had an amazing trade. You can see here this morning, just before London Open, around 7 a.m. So we had this pretty straightforward price nicely broken based on the analysis. Price retest. Momentum is bearish, and also price broken the recent low in 4-hour. That's first when the price hit to the profit target. As explained, my traders time to enjoy some profit. That was a one trade, beautiful trade. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward, bit more volatile. We had amazing trade, 4-hour chart. As I mentioned in my previous analysis, we have taken this short, and we also have taken this pullback in my previous analysis. Today we also have taken a pullback around this level. Beautiful short trade. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, which is around this level, bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you guys intraday analysis, how I analyze the entries. Our bias was short against the dollar, all the measures. So we had such a nice beautiful trade. Okay, so this morning, as you can see here, that was a pretty straightforward. You can see here the price developed a false breakout, and as explained my trader, these are the 2 points of interest. If the price, because both sides, you can see here price developed false breakout. Now, as explained my trader, we have the major resistance level. Our bias was short, so you can see here many time rejection. So we were expecting a short trade here. As you can see, as soon as the price developed, as you can see here in head and shoulder pattern, it's high probability trade, beautiful breakout, bank amazing profit. After banking profit, as explained by trader, any pullback would consider high probability trade. As mentioned here in the analysis, you can see I have one pullback, beautiful short trade, bank amazing profit. Afterwards, at the New York session, as price developed sideways market, that's another beautiful one more push, beautiful short trade on pound dollar, bank amazing profit. Right, so dollar CAD, our bias is long, as mentioned in my previous analysis. Even today we had such a nice beautiful long trade here. That was a pretty straightforward. As you can see here, the price nicely respected. We have this beautiful breakout trade this morning. As you can see here, as explained by trader, just keep taking a pullback. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries and exit and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. That was a pretty standard and straightforward. So if you look at this morning, that was a pretty straightforward. You can see here just before London Open. Yesterday we had this beautiful trade, as you have seen my previous analysis. So we were looking this breakout based on the analysis, price nicely broken. After that, pullback. So even at the New York session, as explained my trader, just keep taking a pullbacks. You can see here one pullback, second pullback. We announce all these pullbacks through live documentary, bank amazing profit. And even afterward, New York session, I said, guys, keep taking a pullback. So you can see here beautiful long trade on dollar CAD, bank amazing profit. I hope you enjoy this analysis, but you can enjoy more this analysis if you watch it in live, in real time. And amazing thing is when you're banking a real time profit through live intraday analysis. Or if you are still struggling with forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill with the live market. And once you develop your trading skill, there's opportunities to get funded. For more information, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend, guys. Until next time, all the best.